welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanae, and today was a shopping day, so we went out to Ross, Target, just get a few things, but we were really on budget though, because we're just chilling, really having a good time. And yeah, it's just been so exciting. Tomorrow we're planning to go to the beach. Tonight, actually, it's now almost 7 o'clock. We're planning to go to the movies. I'm not sure if we're still doing that, but we really want to plan stuff so that we don't spend the time and don't actually do anything that I can actually record. So yeah, I didn't do much recording today because I don't know, there's just not much that we really did today to record. We're going back to the store, so when I go back I'll do more recording. I was just looking around, getting familiarized with just different, being in a different area, new things. Didn't want to overshop. So alright guys, so I am going to get ready to go into the pool now, and yeah, let's have some fun. My first trip to Florida is a success so far, and I'm really happy for that. Let's have some fun. This is what I wore today, by the way, because it's so hot. It's really hot here, so this is what I wore, matching and all of that. I should have a picture. I think so. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. I need to sing more for y'all. Jesus, you love me too much, oh, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Excuse my mess. So we're going to dinner now. My aunt made dinner, so we're going to eat. I'm all ready, and yeah, the water was good. I'm cold though because the water was cold. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. As you can see in my hands, I'm about to do my devotion, but I'm just coming on to touch base with you. All right, so what's gonna happen today? Today I'm planning to do vacation stuff. It's our third day of vacation, and we still haven't really done much vacation stuff. Other than me going to the pool, doing a lot of shopping, nothing much. So today we're going to the beach, and hopefully later I can get to go to a movie. Keeping my fingers crossed, but that's the plan for today. All right, so I'm going to do my devotion and yeah, just chill and then get prepared for the beach. I think we're gonna be leaving out around 9 o'clock. So yeah, and it's what, after 7 o'clock? What? It's literally 2 minutes to 8 o'clock. Wow. All right, so I'm about to bring y'all with me on this vacation in Florida. anyways, we're getting ready to go to the beach. All right, so these are the shoes that I'll be wearing with those to the beach, and then I'm gonna put on these sandals when I'm on the sand. All right guys, so I decided to get ready in the bathroom, that way Chanel has the room to get ready for herself. All right, so in the meantime, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't have a tripod here. I should have probably gotten one yesterday, but I don't want to be traveling with too much load. I'm trying to see where I can put this phone. Anyways, I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the counter. Okay, so this outfit came out even better than I imagined. I love everything about it, the style, the flow, the design, everything. It's given vacation, it's given beach day. Yeah, you can tell I love it. I felt so good in it. We're about to leave. Say hi, Chanel. That's my friend, y'all. Later. This is so unusual. Uh-oh, look at that big lizard. Chanel, look there. Over there. Oh my word. Try to find the different species, so we're gonna be playing that. I'm gonna show you all around, so let's go, let's have some fun. This is the first one. I don't think I see any of these. Those fish kind of look simple. This is the Indian River Lagoon, and that's Chanel. You found any? Different ones that are in here. I don't know if I'm gonna find all of these, but look at this little crabby. Hi, Mr. Krabs. Alright, so let's see. What are these? Microplastics. That's for the kids, because ain't no adults have that time. So this is, what's this? It happened in this crate. Oh, that's so nice. Look at all the layers. Ooh, that's nasty. You zooming it up? Tiny fish. Oh. Left is on here. What's in there? Microbes. Ew. Those things are moving.
What's in the funny one, Jamaica?
Oh, lionfish? It's a lionfish up close and personal. And it's alive. It's protein.
What is fish in it?
Look at this pretty fish. You ever watch Finding Nemo? It looks like the bluefish.
Nemo.
Hi. It's a Nemo there.
Nemo.
Yeah. Nemo is a clownfish. Guys, I found Nemo.
I don't know, man. What is fish in it? How can you spot that? Shark, big eye.
Short, big eye. Oh, these are the ones that are in the dark. Short, big. Is it that? I don't know if I can spot it. Is it that? Big eyes? That has big eyes. Wait, Shannon, I think it's hiding. I just saw some movements around there. Wow, these fishes are weird. Look how thin it is.
I think I like the color, but I like the color.
The color is
But
nice.
the shape,
Oh my god. That's like paper thin. Can you spot Molly Miller? What's that? Oh! It's hiding. The owners are on here too. But these fishes are so fascinating. And then those are the sea eggs. They call them urchins, sea urchins.
those must be
Massive starlet coral. That's the coral right there. Starlet. Look at it.
I like the purple.
Purple and yellow.
Pretty. Oh,
Hi. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Looking at the little things down here now.
what is that, Charlie?
Everything is alive. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look, it's going back down now. This fish is staying hidden. Yep, here it is. Out again. Look now, Shannon. Look. today because there's no music playing in the background. Now we are at Walmart. We're gonna do some more shopping. We just came from the beach. Oh, look at these flowers. Orchids, guys, orchids. I love orchids. All right, so we're gonna just take up a few things. Omeprazole. Omezu. I'm gonna see this in the hospital. Alright guys, so I think I'm finished getting whatever I need in here. I'm gonna be cashing now. Alright, we're going home now. It was a really good day, right Chanel? And we did more shopping. Just because. Alright, just because.
Put those inside. In the middle.
Are you supposed to?
Oh, we are supposed to?
No, I guess you can just practice.
All in. God is good. Oh, somebody send me some money, please. Guys, we are about to open a shop. Okay? We are about to open a shop. This is a glass thing that I wrapped. Not bad. She's fretting about her bank account. Oh Lord, come. Mr. Flamingos. Sounds so good. It's over there. It's in the pantry. All right, y'all. So it's getting late. 6:30. We're gonna take a bath. We're going to get ready. Chanel is still in the water and we need to go. We're going to get ready to go on the road because we're going out back to get stuff and just to hang out. Right. We are going out on the road now. Our Uber is on the way. We literally just have time to put on our shoes and go. Wearing this simple top from Fashion Nova, in case anybody wants to know where to find this top. This I have years. I've had this for years now. Alright, so we're about to go out now. Leaving. Come Chanel, ready? Come my girly. Fit check, fit check. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, let's go.
Rather the air or the windows open?
The windows down. Yeah. Alright, we're on our way to the shopping center. Florida is a nice place, guys. I like Florida. It reminds me of Jamaica with the like weather. I'm really enjoying my time here. I'll definitely do a vacation in Florida again. Like, definitely. I know, but I know my next trip will be to see my husband. That may be long. I don't know. Or maybe sooner. Who knows? I guess we'll find out. Alright, so I'll get back to y'all when we are at the place. Okay, later. Hey guys, we are out in the streets. Chanel. Alright, so the Uber actually went to the wrong area, so we had to look. It's the only thing I was looking, and we saw the mall. Thank you. I can't believe it's 9:45 and most of these spaces are locked. Like, what's the deal with that? They close at 10, so I'm sure they are. What time they close? If they close at 10, then we can't go. It's closed too?
Every single way closed.
We figured that would have happened. Guys, we're out. We're done shopping and now we want some food, but most of the places are locked. What are we supposed to do? We can't do nothing. We just have to wait and see. Or go home and do what we were taught to do, make food. Out in the streets, they call it. I need to go. I really do need to go home because all these places are locked. We don't have no food to eat out here. So we need to call the Uber to go back home. Now that sounds like a splendid idea.
Tell the man what you're looking for, because I'm telling you now, we conform.
Yeah.
And you be like, well, I want a man that stays home. Listen, he gonna be right there. He tell you tired of not. He gonna be, honey, I gotta go do this, gotta do that. So don't tell him, because I'm telling you now, he gonna change.
True.
He's gonna try to be everything you want.
You want, right?
A man wants a woman. It's you guys grow together, and it's a mutual thing. So you should have to tell him everything.
Right. You should see.
Yeah, that's just things he should do on his own without you telling him.
Right.
Because if he start telling you now, I'm just telling you, he gonna flip the script. And you be wondering why he come. Now I know y'all can cook, right?
Yeah, we're Jamaican.
I'm just saying now. That's already half the battle there. As long as you can throw down. I mean, if you can't cook, as long as you can learn to cook. That's the key.
Right.
You know. So keep him happy, feed him, and he'll be A-okay.
All right, thank you so much, Bobby.
All right.
We'll be praying for you. All the best with your endeavors, everything.
Yeah, that's my girl. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate you.
All right, bye-bye. Oh, is it live? Bye. Oh, that was the best Uber driver for real, guys. Giving us relationship advice and all. That's the one I'm going to bring. We're trying to pack this stuff. Those are my things over there that I need to pack up to ship to my future home. This is such a cute umbrella. My mother will like this. What's the name of yours? Billy. Billy.
You never see anybody into your Finnick.
I think that's what the cashier.
Garbage. That's for your mommy too?
Yeah. I said if you were full, I wouldn't send it, but you're not, so. Just leaving.
Vlogger, come take up one.
And she's moving out of America.
I think so.
Yeah, later.
The stories are inspiring people to give. When recently had choosing this radio station above others, or maybe God's used a certain moment where you've heard the right song at the right time.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back. So we went to UPS to send off the package. My uncle dropped me there, right? I didn't know it was so expensive to send things. It cost me $56 to send off 2 little bags of clothes and the 2 packs of milk powder to a friend. I sent that to a friend, but I sent the clothes to my future home. My dear, dear, dear old clothes. Like, some of these things I've probably only worn once, but I hate not wearing my clothes the way they're supposed to be worn. So yeah, needed to be worn some more. Yeah, guys, can you believe it? Anyway, so today I'm going to go by the pool. Like, at least people do. I'm gonna go by the pool now to just relax for a little, and then I'm gonna do some editing. I'm gonna swim a little, do some editing, and then I'm going to shower. And today's just gonna be a chill day, right? So I'm gonna end this vlog today because I need this vlog to be up in 2 days, and the next vlog I'm going to upload today. So Chanel left today, and I'm here alone, but I'm so excited for the prospects. This is not where it ends. Hint, 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 hint. All right, but you have to watch the other vlog to see where this is all going. All right, so anyways, I'm gonna get changed into another swimsuit, and then I'll go into the water.